Don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like the mink has got something over there. Maybe a goose or a...
O canal Thomas Locke se foca em experiências de acampamento e vida selvagem, mas com um toque de humor e a honestidade de quem nem sempre se sente à vontade na natureza. Ele documenta suas tentativas de acampar, muitas vezes com resultados inesperados, e compartilha suas reações genuínas aos desafios. Neste vídeo, Thomas retorna a uma floresta que ele já considera assombrada devido a experiências anteriores que o deixaram inquieto. Desta vez, ele não está sozinho. Sam e Matt o acompanham. A intenção inicial é provar que seus medos eram apenas coisas da sua cabeça, desfrutar da noite e até encontrar um pé grande.
So, good times. Slightly less treacherous today, and hoping to seduce a Bigfoot, so wish us luck. It feels like it's going to rain. I don't think so.
Spooky.
This is why it's a pretty good spot, because obviously it's not very well maintained, so no one really cares about it. Or maybe it's not well maintained because of all the killings.
I mean, obviously there haven't been killings.
Well, there might have been killings.
No.
What makes you think there haven't been killings? I am a little bit worried that we're going to make fun of it all night, and then...
Wait, Lord of the Rings thing, where it's actually alive.
Like an ent.
Wait, was that Lord of the Rings?
Yeah, an ent.
Yeah. And then it starts throwing rocks up, or whatever it is.
It destroys Isengard. Yeah, I know my Lord of the Rings. Could be. Pocket dimension. Like the TARDIS. Dimensionally transcendental. Yeah, and I'm a Doctor Who lore as well, so, well, this is us.
This is it.
I ain't going in there.
Eles montam as barracas e Thomas expressa a preocupação com um cheiro estranho dentro da sua que ele identifica como mofo. A noite avança e, apesar da presença dos amigos, a floresta não colabora com a ideia de uma noite tranquila. Sons começam a ser ouvidos e Thomas, que se diz mais sintonizado com o sobrenatural, sente um frio na espinha.
You said this, didn't you?
Yeah. No dear. Yeah, I mean, it'd be fine, but that's a bit annoying. Being in a confined space that's mouldy overnight, not so sure about that. Yeah, well, it's actually okay on the side I'll be sleeping. Just have to give it a good clean when I get back, I guess. But it is damp. That sucks. You going? Yeah, my tent's mouldy. Let's go. Spoons? What, because of the mould? Nah, I'll be alright.
If you wake up dead.
No, what will happen is I'll get cancer, so it'll be a slow death. Now, I could slide in an infinite jest reference here so that everyone knows how cultured and smart I am, but I'm not going to do that.
We don't mean something already.
Well, it doesn't matter, someone in the audience might. I ate this, I ate this. There you go.
Foi aí que o impensável aconteceu. Sons estranhos e altos ecoam pela floresta. A equipe tenta identificar a origem, mas a escuridão é total. Thomas, já nervoso, sente uma dor latejante nos membros a cada batida do coração, o que o deixa fisicamente mal. Ele descreve que algo não estava certo desde o momento em que a barraca foi montada.
It's darker than I can't see. Yeah, I can't see shit. Oh, Jesus. Got a bevy. Yeah.
Got
we're
deer
at the
barking.
tree.
That's like that. You feeling
Pretty good.
even the
I've
spot?
read a lot of comments about this tree, about how it's haunted. There's a demon living in it. There's a ghost. Go talk to the farmers nearby, ask them what's going on here. Go read your history books and all that. We're tracking down Bigfoot though. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a fucking tree.
Why does it make that noise? I don't like it.
It is a very big and tall tree. But yeah, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm going to sleep in front of it tonight, and I will not die overnight.
Who's that? Who's that? Just kidding. I
It's
got
a
him.
Bigfoot.
Got him. You're not scared at all? You don't feel any chill down your spine? Because when I came back here, I felt just an immediate chill down my spine.
And what about today?
No, no.
I feel okay today because I'm with you guys.
It just, you know, he's just chilling.
I do feel like there's a chance I'm going to wake up with a monk jack outside my tent.
What do they look like? Regular deer, or they built different?
There's a crow, I think, right?
Did you hear the other one? Did you hear them?
Yeah.
But that's crow, I think.
That's what those are crows.
That right there is where the demon girl hung herself.
Don't say that.
That's good.
Because what if it's true?
True. Fine. I found those others too. I will give you one thing. It's definitely creepier than Thetford, but that's because it's natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thetford you feel a bit safer in because it is, you can tell it's made by a man. Yeah.
You make a mess.
Yeah, I'm a little bit on edge now, you know. I was completely fine like 5 minutes ago, but since we did that, I'm a little bit like...
It's a month, yeah.
In every horror movie,
The black guy always dies first. Unlucky Sam.
fresh tracks.
Are you actually not on edge in the slightest out here?
Not out.
Don't leave my life. I've got the boys in there.
You're not on edge. You're not walking through it like actually.
Really?
Let's just be a little bit careful.
Oh, my phone.
Even more fun.
What?
Why so many dead twigs?
Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it?
It's called a tree.
What's it protecting?
Are we lost?
No. You can see the tent over there.
Oh, I forgot to fucking tent in my tent. Do that after.
Can you get them tucked in?
Are you actually like shitting?
I'm pretty nervous.
Oh, he's a little baby.
I don't like it when your voice echoes around the forest.
I've got stigmata.
What's stigmata? What's that?
It's an unexplained wound which is usually attributed to Jesus Christ.
Let's have a look. Well, that's obviously from a thought one, isn't it?
Or is it?
Yes.
It's not.
He's off again. I don't want to be at the back.
That's a cicada.
What's up?
Listen.
There's nothing there.
It's a cicada. Or a bug.
Yeah, some roaches.
Oh.
That's like a hole in the ground. No, never mind.
O que se segue não é um ataque físico, é uma batalha contra a própria mente e a atmosfera opressora. O terror escala porque, embora os amigos de Thomas, Sam e Matt, não sintam nada e tentem convencê-lo a ficar, o medo dele é palpável e crescente. Ele está convencido de que não conseguirá dormir, que algo na floresta o está a assombrar. Há também o som de música alta vindo de longe, que se soma à estranheza da situação. A sensação de pavor e a preocupação com o mofo na barraca o levam ao limite. Apesar de odiar cancelar um acampamento, ele decide que não vai conseguir dormir e que precisa sair dali.
The stakes, they didn't work out.
I'm not gonna lie.
You know what, Tom? You really raised the stakes today. Tom is very nervous. See, it's quite funny because at first he said, I'm here, I'm with you boys, I no longer feel nervous. I feel like
It was when we did the
it's all
interview
okay.
about the tree, and now he's
But
crying.
returning to the tree has made Tom feel worried, feel nervous, feel unsafe. Meanwhile, Matt is just Matt.
It's because I know how easy it would be to bail.
I mean, like, use your logical brain here. What's your chances of survival? Staying here or attempting to leave the forest right now? Because that little demon tree over there might be like, you know what?
We might get
If he's
trapped in
here,
the
he has
forest.
to stay.
No, but what if it wants people to leave? What if that's why it's making me feel bad? As someone who's force sensitive. Where is it? Stop throwing things at me.
I was waiting for you to react.
I just like listening
Yeah, I saw that as well.
to listen to noises. What do you mean?
What's Sam saying? I agree, I like the sound of nature. I like all the stuff about nature.
Look, a bit like a noose from a long way away.
I'm just worried about losing the tenants, that's all. I don't really care about him walking off.
Oh, fuck off! I even knew it was you. I knew it was you, and it still freaked me out. I've got this sort of feeling that's like.
I got a feeling.
Let me talk to the camera. Let me speak this to the camera. And we get some clean audio. It's this like splitting sort of pain through my limbs. Just every heartbeat is like, poof, poof, poof. Just like the log started moving when you two sat down. It freaked me out.
Yeah,
I'm really on edge. These guys are absolutely fine. I don't want to leave, but I'm really on edge. So you jumping on the thing. Oh man. Huh? I'm leaning towards leaving at the minute. Because I'm not going to sleep. I know I'm not going to sleep. And we're doing stuff tomorrow. I'm just on edge. And I'm worried about that mould thing. But also worried about sleep.
I think it will be worse when we're on our beds and no one's making a noise.
Yeah, and it's annoying because we're all set up and ready to go. And this will be the second time I've bailed from this camp.
Well, then we just done this one again. There you go.
Well, if I bail now, I'm not doing this camp again.
And it's like gym, exercise, doing cardio.
I'm not gonna sleep, man.
You're not gonna sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep. I
You
don't.
know how I feel when we went up on Brecon Beacons?
Yeah.
Because the monsters that moved it.
What ain't gonna work, Sam?
Ain't gonna work.
What, leaving?
Yeah.
Why?
Trapped.
Too late.
What do you mean?
The gates are closed.
There aren't gates.
That's what you think.
No, I wanna go. I wanna go.
Well, that was too much.
Why do you even camp?
There's camps loads of places, just not this one.
I don't know what it is about this place, man. I don't know what it is about this place. Because if I was you, I'd be pissed off. So I totally get it. I completely
You know
empathise.
how chilled I am about everything.
You're fine.
Sorry.
I totally empathise.
Este vídeo é lembrete arrepiante de que, por vezes, a floresta pode ser lugar onde os medos mais profundos se manifestam e que a linha entre a imaginação e a realidade pode ser assustadoramente tênue. E você, os sons e a sensação de pavor de Thomas eram apenas a sua mente pregando-lhe peças, como ele mesmo pondera, ou a floresta realmente guardava uma presença que apenas ele conseguia sentir. E o que é mais assustador, o perigo visível ou a intuição que grita que você não está seguro, mesmo quando ninguém mais percebe. O canal Riley Bowen Fishing se foca em aventuras de pesca, mostrando a emoção da captura e a beleza da natureza. Contudo, neste vídeo, a sua experiência de pesca num rio tranquilo se transforma num confronto aterrorizante com o inexplicável. Uma história que o forçará a questionar a sua própria sanidade e o que se esconde à vista de todos. A aventura começa no rio, com Riley e um amigo a desfrutarem da pesca durante o dia. A luz do sol deveria ser um escudo contra os medos da escuridão, mas a sua tranquilidade é quebrada por um som que gela o sangue. É um grito, agudo e sobrenatural, vindo da floresta densa na margem oposta do rio. Eles não conseguem identificar a fonte. Não é um animal. Não é uma voz humana normal. É algo bizarro e aterrorizante.
Bless you! The skinwalker? You think? That was not a normal noise. Look at this angry little coot. I'm just saying.
You got me thinking.
Well, that ain't no sneeze. Caden?
Can't leave.
We'll be alright. It's daytime. They don't come out during the daytime. What in the Kentucky backwoods?
You said what in the...
I did just get chilled down my leg. Maybe I have to pee. Oh my gosh!
What is that?
I don't know. I've never heard that noise in my life. Bless you! That's scary. I'm hoping that you can hear this.
Hear what?
There's something screaming in the woods.
Oh my god.
Did you see that?
Like, actually, like, we stopped fishing and are trying to, like, look at this thing.
I saw something move over there, but...
Don't get close to it.
We're not. Look how we're far away from the shore.
How is it all the way over there now?
Dude, what is that? That's got... It's cooking. It just moved like 200 yards. It was just standing in one spot screaming over and over and over.
It was over there, and now it's way over there.
Is it a bird? Like a lady fake sneezing. Like just screaming.
Go away from it. Go away.
I'm not going towards that. Listen, I understand I'm a white person, but I ain't doing that. No, thank you.
O medo torna-se imediato e visceral. O amigo de Riley, claramente perturbado, tenta racionalizar o som, sugerindo que é apenas um espirro ou algo inofensivo. Mas Riley sabe que não é. Ele sente um arrepio pela espinha, um pressentimento de que o som pertence a algo que não é deste mundo, algo que a lenda local chama de skinwalker. Foi aí que o impensável aconteceu. Enquanto tentam se afastar, os gritos se intensificam, transformando-se num lamento ensurdecedor. Riley varre a câmera pela margem oposta, e então, no meio da vegetação, ele vê. Uma figura se move. É rápida, esguia e parece deslizar pela floresta, mudando de posição em questão de segundos, como se teletransportando. Não é um animal. É uma entidade que está ativamente a persegui-los.
Dude, what is that? That's got... It's cooking. It just moved like 200 yards. It was just standing in one spot screaming over and over and over.
It was over there, and now it's way over there.
Is it a bird? Like a lady fake sneezing. Like just screaming.
Go away from it. Go away.
I'm not going towards that. Listen, I understand I'm a white person, but I ain't doing that. No, thank you.
O que se segue não é uma perseguição comum, é uma caçada implacável. O terror escala, porque a criatura não os ataca de frente, mas os flanqueia, usando a floresta densa como um labirinto. Os gritos parecem acompanhar os seus movimentos, e a figura se move a uma velocidade impossível, cobrindo centenas de metros em segundos. Riley grita para o seu amigo para se afastar, recusando-se a ir em direção àquela coisa. Este vídeo é um lembrete arrepiante de que, por vezes, os predadores mais temíveis não são os que se escondem nas profundezas da escuridão, mas os que operam à luz do dia, e que as lendas sobre skinwalkers, que imitam vozes, podem ser mais do que apenas histórias, podem ser avisos. E você, o que era aquela criatura que Riley e o amigo viram na margem do rio? Era o skinwalker que o título sugere ou uma entidade diferente a persegui-los? E o que é mais assustador, os gritos que parecem imitar uma voz humana ou a forma impossível como a criatura se move, desafiando todas as leis da física? O canal Groovy Gavin se foca em investigações paranormais, explorando lendas e relatos de avistamentos de criaturas como os skinwalkers. A sua abordagem é a de um investigador que busca a verdade por trás das histórias, visitando os locais onde esses encontros aterrorizantes aconteceram. Neste vídeo, a sua missão é investigar 6 locais na nação Navajo, Arizona, Novo México, Utah e Colorado, onde pessoas relataram ter visto skinwalkers. Ele visita cada local e narra as histórias, tentando determinar se os avistamentos foram reais.
Right now I'm in the Navajo Nation, which that consists of Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado. This is the area where skinwalkers originate, and I did my research and I found 6 locations where people have seen them and they have the full story of what they saw. And I'm gonna try to figure out if what they saw was an animal, an old lady, or maybe they saw something actually weird. But first we're starting with a skinwalker sighting in Arizona.
O medo começa com a primeira história. Uma mulher mais velha é vista a andar na estrada à noite. Minutos depois, ela aparece novamente, mais à frente, a uma velocidade impossível para a idade. O carro das testemunhas falha e a mulher se vira, revelando o rosto pintado de preto antes de desaparecer.
Is actually from a Navajo person. They remember a experience while driving on the reservation with their older brother and sister late at night. Around 2 a.m. they spotted an elderly woman walking along the highway. However, as they continued down the dirt road, they encountered the same woman walking alone on the road. As they approached, their car shut down and the woman stood, walked across the road, and turned to reveal her face was painted completely black. She then disappeared into the distance, and they learned from their father that the elderly couple, known for practicing bad medicine, had lived between the two highways, and she occasionally walked that road.
A tensão aumenta com a segunda história. Um casal acampando ouve passos distintos ao redor da barraca. Eles não veem nada, mas ao tentar ir embora, ouvem um tiro. Foi aí que o impensável aconteceu. Em outro local, o drone do apresentador é atingido por uma força invisível, quase caindo.
They're in their tent, they're having a good time. Then they hear distinct footsteps behind their tent after dark. This isn't really one of those camping sites where there's a lot of tents nearby. It's kind of like everyone's kind of far away. Despite being in a remote area, after checking outside, they found nothing. Then they go back in their tent and they start hearing footsteps again. And I guess this really creeps them out, so they decide to leave. On their way out, they hear a gunshot from nearby campers, who also packed up and left. Wait, this is kind of cooked. So, at the very least, we're looking out for somebody who might shoot us.
O que se segue não é uma perseguição, mas uma compilação de terror crescente. As histórias se tornam cada vez mais bizarras. Vozes de mulheres sussurrando em uma língua estranha, seguidas por um lamento doloroso. Um cão que volta com arranhões misteriosos. Uma massa preta e sem forma que engole a luz dos faróis de um carro e é capaz de correr ao lado do veículo, mesmo em alta velocidade, antes de se transformar em um animal.
Was a person walking on the shoulder of the road. That's definitely creepy regardless of if it was a normal person or not. In the darkness, they were wearing some sort of poncho with long black hair flowing past their chest. Once he passed nearby them, his radio cut off. As he approached, he saw the person raise their right arm as to flag me down to get a ride. He said, not today, buddy. Once he passed them, everything turned back on. As he drives farther, another person, he sees the same man. And then at this point, he was obviously freaking out. And then the man started running after him, sprinting after the car. But as I continued to speed up, he did too. He drove faster and faster. When I looked in the mirror, I would see him behind me. Out of the corner of my eye, I saw something in another shape. It wasn't a man, at least. I glanced over myself. It looked like some sort of animal, but it started running alongside the car. He just keeps driving, and eventually the thing isn't there anymore. His radio turns back on. He told a soldier in his unit about it who was native, and they told him about skinwalkers. They were camping in the Kaibab National Forest near the Grand Canyon and heard eerie sounds sitting by their campfire. They spotted nothing with their flashlights, but soon began to hear what sounded like a woman whispering in a foreign language. The sound then turned into a painful wailing. The couple felt very unnerved and cold.
A investigação culmina na montanha Skinwalker, o suposto quartel-general dessas criaturas. O local é descrito como tendo uma caverna inacessível, onde se guardam ossos e peles de animais, com pinturas rituais nas paredes. Lá, o apresentador grita o nome Skinwalker, e houve um assobio vindo do fundo da montanha, no lugar onde, segundo a lenda, eles fazem suas reuniões e iniciam novos membros.
Make sure we don't get lost. I go like straight that way, you go straight that way. Apparently skinwalkers go after people when they're alone, so we wanted to split up to have an even better chance of finding something weird. Me and Ethan are splitting up and doing what I said we probably should not do, which is walk straight into the place that looks like we could get lost.
This is creepy as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
Outward cam for a little. I'm gonna try my best to walk straight. Oh, I just hit that tree. Oh, this is this is a little more scary for sure. One of the things you're never supposed to do in Navajo areas where skinwalkers are, well, obviously say their name, but be alone. Be alone is one of the biggest things. Dude, what's up with all these trees just destroyed? Dude, and then all the dead trees like squeak really weird.
Bro, this creepy as hell, I ain't gonna lie. There's some kind of, either an animal or, I don't know, that does not sound like trees. Lorax would not be happy here, bro. Dude, I swear I hear stuff. Oh, hell no. Hell no. I'm hearing it all the way over there. I don't know if I'm tweaking. All right, I'm going back. I could have swore I saw something walk past, bro.
Ethan?
Bro, I'm sorry. I could not last a minute over there, bro.
Dude, when I saw you, I freaked out actually.
My bad.
Well, because I was peeing and I looked behind me and there was a light. I was like, no way. I do actually have a theory on their story though. The whispering, I low-key think it is one of the trees, bro. It sounds like, they make some weird creaking sounds. And I could even almost say that's the crying as well. So yeah, I personally think.
Este vídeo é um lembrete arrepiante de que algumas lendas são baseadas em experiências muito reais e que ao investigar esses mitos, você pode se deparar com a prova de que as criaturas mais temíveis do folclore ainda habitam as sombras do nosso mundo. E você, qual dessas histórias é a mais aterrorizante? E o que é mais assustador? O grito de um skinwalker na floresta, a visão de uma massa escura que corre mais rápido que um carro, ou a ideia de rituais com símbolos macabros em locais remotos? O canal Grizzly Gas se foca na beleza pura e selvagem da natureza. Mas neste vídeo, o apresentador, Gas, decide desafiar os limites do conforto, optando por um acampamento de inverno com barraca aquecida em um local que ele suspeita guardar segredos.
Hammock hot tenting tonight, but I'm not doing a hammock. I'm having a tent inside my hammock hot tent, and I brought the hot tent with me today so I can figure it all out and decide whether I want to get another lightweight stove and then use this. But all this is going into the raffle that I'm going to do. We're just hanging back here for 2 minutes because there's a dog walker over there and we don't want them to see where we're going. Hey up, can you hear?
Ele monta sua barraca aquecida, preparando-se para a noite gelada. O ambiente, coberto de neve e com uma névoa baixa, cria uma atmosfera de isolamento. O plano é simples: desfrutar do calor dentro da barraca e da tranquilidade da floresta invernal. A noite avança e a tranquilidade é quebrada de forma assustadora. Um grito agudo, que ele identifica como de uma menina, rompe o silêncio da floresta gelada. O som é inconfundível e perturbador. Foi aí que o impensável aconteceu.
Don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like the mink has got something over there. Maybe a goose or a duck screaming away.
O que se segue não é uma perseguição. É uma noite de terror psicológico. O medo escala porque o grito não se repete imediatamente, mas a sua memória persiste, deixando Gas em estado de alerta máximo. A noite se torna uma vigília tensa, onde cada estalo do gelo ou movimento da barraca pode ser o prelúdio de algo mais. A ausência de mais incidentes visíveis torna a experiência ainda mais enervante, pois ele e o espectador são deixados a questionar a origem e a intenção do grito. Este vídeo é um lembrete arrepiante de que, por vezes, a beleza gelada da natureza esconde sons que desafiam a explicação e que o conforto de uma barraca quente pode não ser suficiente para protegê-lo do terror que ecoa no frio da floresta. E você, O que estava a gritar na floresta gelada era um animal selvagem com um som incomum ou o lamento de algo sobrenatural que o frio da noite despertou? E o que é mais assustador, um grito que o faz fugir ou um grito isolado que o deixa preso na sua barraca, questionando a sua sanidade? Curtiu o terror real? Então se inscreva no canal e deixa o like. Tem muito mais vindo aí.